Hello kids, welcome back again in today's SST class. In today's SST class, we will discuss about chapter number 4, that it's clothes we wear. In this chapter, we will read types of clothes, special clothes, different clothes for different seasons. So let's start. Children, why we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, and clothes protects us from dust and bad weather. It also protects us from rain, dust, cold as well. So, why we wear clothes? According to the season. Clothes worn in different seasons. According to the climate or weather, we choose our clothes or select our clothes. Children, can you think of wearing a thick sweater on a hot summer day or a light cotton shirt on a chilly evening? It would not be possible for us. Why? Because if we wear these such clothes in different seasons according not that climate or bad weather, then it will not be good for us. So we select our clothes according to the climate or the weather condition of the place we live in. So in summer or spring season, we choose cotton clothes to keep us cool and allow air to pass, because these clothes help us to feel comfortable and cool. So light color cotton clothes or loose fitting comfortable clothes we wear in summer season, because they keep our body cool, and the tiny pores of these clothes help air to circulate easily also and absorb our sweat also easily. In winter season we wear thick woolen clothes like sweaters, coats, etc., because these woolen clothes keep our body warm and do not let the body heat escape. In rainy season we wear raincoats or gumboots which protect us from getting wet, and we carry umbrella also. Rubber footwear such as gumboots are also worn during monsoon. Raincoat protect us from rain by not allowing water to pass through and thus keep us dry also. So in this way, as we all have seen that according to the climates or weather we select our clothes. What are silk clothes? Silk thread is very fine and soft. It is obtained from the cocoons of silkworms. Silkworm is basically it is a worm, a small worm. Out of this worm we get cocoon, and with the help of cocoon we make silk clothes. It is used to make smooth and shiny clothes. What type of clothes we make out of cocoon? They are smooth and shiny clothes. Leather clothes. Leather is obtained from the skin of dead animals. Like bags, shoes, and belts are made from leather. We use leather clothes in winter season as they keep our body warm. Clothes are made up of different fibers, as they are natural fibers or man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which we get from the animals or plants. Silk or wool are the natural fibers which we get from the silkworm or sheep. Wool is obtained from the hair of the sheep, and silk is obtained from the cocoon of the silkworm. Cotton. Cotton clothes. These clothes are made up of natural fiber like cotton. Cotton is small fiber that grows in a ball around the seeds of a cotton plants. So it means cotton plants give us a cotton, and out of this cotton we make cotton clothes. So cotton, wool, silk, linen, these are the natural fibers. And man-made fibers. What are man-made fibers? Man-made fibers are those fibers which we make with the help of chemicals, and such like polyester, rayon, nylon, these are the man-made fibers. So these are the natural fibers or man-made fibers. Out of these fibers we get our clothes, fabrics. Children, we see people around engaged in different occupations wearing a specific garments, and these specific garments which give them identity of their occupation are called uniform. Like students, when you go to school, what do you wear? You wear your uniform, na? Yes, it is a special dress which you wear at the particular time when according to the different need. So like army people, navy persons, doctor, postman, firefighters, police, and so many extra profession persons are there. So they wear their uniforms according to their occupation. People of different states wear different dresses. These are called traditional clothes, and people wear these clothes due to different weather conditions. So, children, I hope all you have understood about the chapter that clothes we wear according to the seasons, climate, and different types of clothes we wear, and what are these clothes made of. These are made of different fibers. Those are natural fibers or man-made fibers. So children, I hope all you will watch this video again to learn about the clothes we wear. Thank you. Have a fabulous day.